Hello and welcome! In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how to buy web hosting at Hostinger. If you are new to website building and want to learn more about domain names, how to buy your first domain name, and what web hosting is, I highly suggest watching these tutorials after this one. Why Hostinger, you may ask? There are 4 reasons I would like to share with you. Hostinger is a globally recognized web hosting company that has been providing hosting solutions since 2004 and is trusted by more than 5.2 million clients worldwide. Focusing on user security, experience, and performance, it's an ideal solution for beginners and experts. The official WordPress website at wordpress.org highly recommends Hostinger as a web hosting provider besides Bluehost and DreamHost. If you visit its review page at trustpilot.com, you will see that it is rated 4.6 out of 5 and has more than 25,000 reviews. 2 months ago, I started using Hostinger as my web hosting provider to manage all my websites. I chose its business package, which I bought for 2 years for about $107. Now that you know that, let me show you how to buy your shared hosting package from Hostinger. Click the link in the description box that will send you to Hostinger's homepage. Go to the Hosting drop-down menu on the right and select Web Hosting. When the new page opens, scroll down until you see these 3 options: Premium, Business and Cloud Startup. If you want to buy the same package I did and get all these great features and a free domain name for the first year, click the red Add to Cart button. When this page opens, you must choose one of the 4 available acquisition periods. The price will change automatically whichever you prefer. The first option is for the monthly payments of $13.99. If you select this option, you will not get a free domain. The second option is for 1 year. If you select this option, you will pay less than $60 for a year. The third option, which I chose, is for 2 years. If you select this option, you will pay slightly over $107. The last one is for 4 years. If you select this option, you will pay a little over $191. After selecting your desired period, enter the email address and password. Choose one of the available payment options, fill in your personal and card details, click the Submit Secure Payment button. After the payment process is finished, you will get a confirmation email to the email address you entered on this page, which will look like this. Click the Verify Email button to verify your email address. You will also get an email with a receipt from your payment to Hostinger. The third email will be a welcome message from Hostinger with a sign in button. When you click on that button, you will be transferred to the homepage of your web hosting account at Hostinger. So there you have it. The exact process for buying a shared web hosting package at Hostinger. Now you have one more thing to do before creating your website. Connect your domain name to Hostinger or claim your free domain name offered by Hostinger if you bought a 1, 2, or 4-year package. Whichever you choose, I created separate step-by-step tutorials for both options and will leave the links in the comment section of this video. Like all my other tutorials, I made this one easy to understand so you can get all the answers you might have before watching it. Please let me know if I succeeded by liking it or subscribing to my channel. Doing that makes it easier for others who want to learn how to buy their web hosting at Hostinger to find this video and this channel. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comment section below this video. There are no stupid questions, only stupid answers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.